Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on a Ford F350 diesel. First, ensure your truck is on a level surface and the engine is slightly warm but not hot. Gather all your supplies: a new oil filter, at least 13 quarts of the correct diesel engine oil, a drain pan, and the necessary wrenches. Safety first, so consider wearing gloves and eye protection. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient oil change process. Now let's get that old oil out. Slide your drain pan under the truck, directly beneath the oil pan's drain plug. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Let it drain completely, which might take several minutes. This step is crucial for removing contaminants and ensuring your engine gets fresh, clean lubrication. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Locate and remove the old oil filter using your filter wrench. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter, then replace and tighten the drain plug. Finally, carefully pour the 13 quarts of new diesel engine oil into the engine's fill port. After adding the new oil, start your engine and let it run for about 1 minute. This allows the oil to circulate. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Double-check for any leaks around the filter and drain plug. Remember to dispose of the old oil responsibly. Also, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.